Hello, I'm Nikita Chavan. Today's my topic is the nervous system. The nervous system is known as the master controlling and communicating system in our body. Then nervous system controls all over our body systems, and also to control hormones secretions and hormones secretions and our all over body communications. And the nervous system is known is a physically connected network of cells, tissues and organs that allows us communications with reacts as to the environment and perform life. Then two main divisions in a nervous system. Then first is the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Then the some importance of the important functions in nervous system: sensing the world, taste, taste, touch, and then the producing response communicates. Then in a central nervous system content parts are spinal cord, brain, and iterative and control centers, receives, interprets and sends signals to PNS, means peripheral nervous system. Then second is peripheral nervous system contains parts are the nerves, that are 31 pairs of spinal nerves and 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Then a communication line between CNS and rest of body. And then two division also in peripheral nervous system. Then sensory divisions and motor divisions. In a sensory division, then sensory receptors are to CNS, and the in a motor, then the CNS to effectors means glands. Then somatic nervous system means voluntary control skeletal muscles. Then the autonomic nervous system means involuntary muscle controls. Then they are smooth muscles, cardiac glands, the respiratory muscles also. Then sebaceous means sympathetic and parasympathetic. In a sympathetic, then sympathetic means fight or flight mode. Then in these conditions, their body has a high energy exercise, vigorous physical activities included. Then the high rate of heart rate. Then the parasympathetic means rest or digest. In this activity, bodies are in a rest condition. Then the reduce energy use, promote storage of energy, then digest, and then the Then the peripheral nervous system contains cranial nerves and spinal nerves. The motor effective divisions control motor nerves fibers, conducts impulses from the CNS of two effects. Then somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous systems. Then somatic motors voluntaries, and autonomic nervous systems are in the involuntary, means involuntary. Then vesicular motors then conducts impulse CNS to the cardiac muscles and the smooth muscles also. Then complex of brain, then the complex of brain, cerebrum contain parts are cerebrum, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, cerebellum, oblongata, temporal, frontal lobe, and the ponus and brain stem. The mammalian brain is the highly complex, containing many specialized regions that carry out specific functions. Generally, the brain is divided into hindbrain, midbrain, and forebrain. Then the hindbrain contains medulla, ponus, and cerebellum. Then medulla is control autonomic functions. Then ponus controls sleep stages. Then cerebellum contain coordinate movement of body parts, motor memory, and helps to maintain posture muscles of control balance. Then midbrain also contained located between the hindbrain and the forebrain. And then all sensory and motor information that travels from the between the forebrain and the spinal cord passes through the midbrain, then making in a real stations from the central nervous system, the traffic copes of the brain, then filter sensory input and that allows to, then forebrain contains many parts like as frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, thalamus, pituitary gland, temporal lobe and hypothalamus. Thalamus relay station challenging sensory informations, and limbing systems, basic emotions, drives and behaviors. Then cortex, high thoughts. Cortex contains high thoughts, high thoughts. Then the filtering can be affected by the higher thoughts. Then filter sensory input within allows us concentrated. So brain is control all over functions of the body. Thank you.